What's good, y'all? My name is Jordan Bell, and I'm a Collision Drumsticks artist. So I've been playing for about 20 years now, 26. So I started very young. Right now, currently, I play for my home church in Fayetteville, North Carolina. It's called Family Fellowship Worship Center. I also play for two cover bands, Miss Jill Charles and the Nobody's Business Band, and I play for Dead City Symphony, one more popular out in the Southern Pines area. But that's who I play for. So I'm rocking the Collision 5BRs. It's really good for those who have big hands like myself, and also the length of the stick helps me stay in my my workspace, so that way I'm not having to reach all across the drum, and it's pretty comfortable for me. So 3 things I like about Collision Drumsticks and the brand itself is, 1, family oriented. Since day one, they treated me like family, made sure that I was straight getting my my orders or any of my sticks in. 2, their efforts to help better musicians, not primarily just drummers, but they have like a whole bunch of videos and classes from different world-renowned musicians and drummers via their backstage access online on their website. So go check that out when you get a chance. Bunch of great tips. This helped me. It could definitely help you. So, and the last thing I like about Collision Drumsticks is the durability and versatility of the drumstick. I play pretty hard. I'm a big dude, so I got to. These have never failed me, man. Like, I think I've taken this particular pair on about 3 shows within the last week, and I've barely made a dent in these. So if you need a stick that's gonna last, bro, Collision got you. Get in there. So I'll be playing Heaven's Judgment by Kaz Rodriguez. I want to dedicate this to my late grandfather, who passed away in 2022. Brought me up in church, raised me my whole life. If it wasn't for him, I probably wouldn't even be in the predicament that I'm in right now. And I'm living pretty well, doing everything that I can, doing what I love. And also, he's the one that kind of introduced me into music, as far as just me playing behind him at church or just going out and trying new different things and stuff. He's always supported me. So this one is for Pops.